Hello and welcome back to See the Stories, another 3-hour news show. We are still talking with Madani International Film Festival representatives, Hikmat Darmawan and also Shadia Pratsmaji. So we've been talking about quite some details about the film festival. But we've been also talking about diversity. But how does the festival ensure diverse Muslim communities from different cultures and regions are being represented? Because it's actually quite a hard work for you as well, 1,645. And how do you ensure that all those things are being represented in a very little amount of movies that has gone after the filter and stuff?
Yeah, so we make sure that we see the countries first. So we have different countries registering, of course, like from Iran, from Indonesia, from Bahrain, from many countries. That's what we see first, and then we select. Like we want to see if we have films from this area or from this area or from this country or from this country. We want to make sure that nothing is like being too dominated. So we try to see if we can scale everything into 16 films. This year we have 16 finalists for the short film competition and from 8 countries.
Okay. What about the feature films? How many films that are being selected?
For my division, we have 3 films selected. One from Sudan, actually.
Goodbye, Julia?
No, this is a different one. This is called This Jungle Life. That's a documentary. That's a documentary on the refugees of Sudan in Morocco.
And with a very unique storytelling, visual style and so on. So
I like
very
that.
recommended.
Very recommended. Director is from Australia.
And for a feature length movie, usually we have board acting like a curator, and also we try to translate the theme, this year's theme, every year's theme, into the selection of movies, and we try to distribute it into several programs. For example, we make sure to have Southeast Asian program since last year. So we have a program called Tenggara. We also always have Puan Madani,
Yes, we have this one,
focusing on women issues. Women issues all over the world,
Yes, this year.
Probably from America, from Indonesia as well, and from different era also. We also screen the classical movies if we found the restored restored movies. This year's Puan
Madani is from Iran. It's called the Path Full of Stars. It's a documentary of female runners who are blind.
So many issues in diversity.
So different.
We have to try to make it into our diverse program also. We have horror movies also from Thailand.
Thailand is very good at making horror movies.
Can you imagine that the horror movie from Thailand that actually talking about issues of Islamic communities?
Because I think from the southern part of Thailand, they're mostly Muslims, right?
But there's not really a diverse choices for us, the viewer, right now. Because Thailand, we only thought about one thing, right?
And that actually really shows that there's a lot of themes going on in the festival, like religious themes, even horror themes. Horror themes is included in the secular themes. So how does the festival balance those themes?
Because the religious themes with more secular topics that actually affect the Muslim communities.
Aside of the countries that produce the movies, and in this kind of movies, we always find multiple countries working together into movies. For example, probably the movie from Iran, the filmmaker and the issues from Iran, but produced by German or French and so on. We are very familiar of this kind of global network of producing movies. But we also try to diverse ourselves in the genre.
Yes.
Genre or non-genre. For example, we open our doors for horror movies.
Yes.
It's not only jump scare, but also something sociological, anthropological in those kind of movies also. For example, where in the Muslim world we could find pocong. It's only in Indonesia. Even in Malaysia, it's not a horror materials.
Yeah,
So we try to find all those kind diverse genre and also personal stories. We try to focus ourselves to the artist beside the issue or the idea. So we try to fit into our common theme in these years, every years. So we engage also with the universities, right?
Okay.
We engage also with the communities.
Yeah.
Yep.
So we can dig many issues. For example, disabilities issue.
Oh yeah.
The the outer part of
yeah, the
Indonesia,
remote areas.
The ones at the boundaries.
Yeah, we could find all the voices from our engagement with the communities.
Okay, so in that case as well, I know that you've established some cooperations with communities and stuff to engage a broader audience.
Right.
But in this era of digital world,
Right.
have you ever thought of engaging through probably digital medias
Yes.
or hybrid approach
Right.
for a
Yes.
broader audience?
Of course, for example, we engage already in the selection phase, yeah.
Yes.
We open our doors for the filmmaker all over the world,
All over the world,
not necessarily those who have capital, yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
Especially the communities or personal voices. We open our doors for that, yeah, right? So 1,000 movies.
Okay.
Because
And-
the submission is free.
Yes.
Submission
and,
is
yeah,
free.
and then we also have we try to establish connection with for example, this year we invited online seminar. Actually, we already did that during the pandemic area. So in the 2020 we open all 100% of the
Submissions?
festival
Okay, festival.
online.
Okay,
And
everything.
now
Yes.
we
Now it's
quite
bec-
used to
Now it becomes hybrid.
right
Yes.
hybrid, but we wanted actually to explore probably next year, yeah, not this year. For example, Relax is Just a Religion. 2 years ago we have vertical movies competition.
Vertical movies competition.
So we have 16 finalists, and we could screen the vertical movies in
On their phone?
communities all over Indonesia. If you interested in your community, in your city, interested, please contact Madani.
I see. What is it like, the vertical movie?
Well, basically,
Oh, so
is
you
it-
have to watch it like.
so it's
is it
different
like
storytelling,
TikTok?
right?
Yes.
Oh, so the aim is actually to reach the mobile phone users, is it?
Right. Yeah.
Wow.
How we can incorporate the current digital situation into creative
Smart.
movie making.
Smart.
That's actually one of the
breakthrough.
simplest
Yeah,
adaptation of the new situation. If we have more platform for digital, we will always open. For example, 360 degrees movies.
Oh, that's
360, yeah.
amazing.
Virtual movies.
Yeah.
We open for all of that kind of medium. But
It's like
right
we're,
now,
it's like we're delving into the movie, right? The 360 experience.
Yeah. Wow.
We immerse
I'd
into
love to experience that.
So if we have the budget, and
Listen to that. Anyone with capital?
right.
Yeah, go,
Yeah,
inject
yeah.
them.
Yes, because we experience all those new development in technology into the creative side of movie making, in other festival
Yeah.
in these 5 years, but in abroad, international film festival. But we also have to adapt into the Madani unique theme, right?
Okay.
So Muslim world, Muslim stories, or exchange between non-Muslim and Muslim people, so something like that.
Yeah. Relating to tolerance.
Yes.
Right.
And the fact that we live in the diverse world, I think
Yep.
that's one thing that we should always grateful about. And this screen culture with Madani Film Festival try to, contribute to our celebration of the diversity.
Wow.
Right.
And also, what impact do you hope this festival will bring to the future filmmakers?
Well, we expand our circle of engagement. Probably we not only thought about Islamic issues only for Muslim, right? And Muslim not only thinking about Islamic issues. We try to expand the circle, expand our horizon, and we engage with more people. And next year, hopefully, we have a part in Muslim Film Festival in London, International Muslim Festival in UK in London, in our effort to have cultural diplomacy through the movies, through Madani movies, right? Yeah.
Actually, to add to that, like our team is actually very diverse. Like the five of us, at least in my division, the five of us represent 3 religions.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So not just Muslim.
Yeah,
Yes,
not just
yes,
Muslims.
yes.
So even that kind of diversity has been starting off from
From the
your
team,
team.
yeah.
From within.
Of course.
Yes.
From within, and it has to radiate out.
Yes.
Yes.
I like that.
Yes,
Lovely,
yes.
lovely.
Yes, and also we haven't finished, Hans.
No.
We will wrap up today's talk show with our speakers here, with our guests in our See the Game segment. So there's always a game after our talk show. Our colleague Indra will lead the game today. So Indra, please come back.
Hello.
Wow.
What is that?
So before we start the game, I'm gonna hand you this. And
Okay.
I'm afraid.
it's gonna sound the same.
We're like
This
a
is-
team.
Right. So
We dreaded this part.
Hans and I are a team.
yeah, right. So for today's See to the Games, the host will compete against the guest, and
Okay.
reading some of the clues. And all you have to do is to guess the name of the movie based on the actors and actresses. Mind you, this is just general movies. We're not gonna do the Madima films. I bet you're gonna know this. Don't forget to ring your bell right in front of you that I just
Okay.
brought in before you answer.
Oh my God.
So are we ready?
Ready?
Yes,
This is gonna be harder than
Come on, our
actually
filmmakers are ready.
I bet you guys are
A
good.
burden, yeah, for us.
All right, we are gonna have a couple clues, so we're gonna give you a chance, like one time to answer, and then I'm gonna give you another clue. All right, for our very first questions is, the film was released in 1994 and nominated for Academy Awards Best Pictures in 1995.
Oh,
Oh yeah.
All right, the guess.
Shawshank Redemption.
Shawshank Redemption, is that the right
that's a
answer?
classic
Let's
one.
see, it is Shawshank Redemption.
yeah.
1 for the guess,
Yeah.
and then 0 for the host.
Yeah.
I'm not
This-
mad.
We have one just
I'm not
started.
mad.
No, wait. No.
We have
love
5
this
questions.
movie.
Yeah.
It's 1994.
That's your excuse.
Haven't gone yet.
Unacceptable. All right, number 2. The clue is, the film tells the story of a low-income family that infiltrates the life.
Parasite.
I'm sorry?
It's Parasite.
Is it Parasite? Let's see the answer. Is it Parasite?
Yeah.
It is. Parasite is.
Okay.
We have a draw right now. We
Modern
have
film.
3 more to go.
Yay.
All right, let's go to number 3. The film was based on the best-selling novel by Habibur Rahman
I
El-Shir.
think I know this one.
Okay, can somebody help me? Which one was first? It sounds the same.
Oh, us? Okay. Maria was.
Ayat-ayat cinta.
Is it Ayat Cinta?
By the way,
Wait, which
It is
one?
Ayat Cinta.
you put the name wrong. That was Karissa Putri in the middle.
Oh.
Yeah, the card right wrong.
Trivia, this is by Hanung, right?
Yeah.
We invited you to retrospection of Hanung
Rahman.
in Madani.
All right.
All right, we have more. We have 2
Yeah.
more.
Oh,
so
really?
guess.
Oh,
Okay.
I
You
thought
ready?
you
That was in the end. That was in the
Yeah.
end.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, the film
Finish.
is in 2008 superhero film directed by Christopher Nolan. All right, let's see the guess.
Dark Knight.
Is it Batman Dark Knight?
I think this one is.
It is
Yes,
the Dark
it
Knight
is the Dark
2008. All right,
Good job.
it's a draw. Look at that. All right,
We're catching up.
let's not show any pictures yet. Let's just go with this one. Let's make it harder for them. Now, number 5, this is for the winning. The film was released in 1977 and directed by
But I
Teguh
forgot the title.
Badai
Karya.
pasti berlalu.
Is that for the host? I'm sorry, I missed that one.
Yeah.
Yeah, host first.
Badai pasti berlalu. Let's see the answer. Is it
Yes.
badai pasti berlalu? All right, congratulations. I guess
But
for
yeah,
tonight's
high five too.
Great.
So for the winner, they're supposed to pay for dinner tonight. So congratulations.
Like
That was not the deal.
But then
That
again,
was it.
Yeah. Yeah. But then again, they did great. Yeah.
They did really great. I mean, with the Shawshank
Yes,
Redemption.
wow.
No.
The classic one, they
That was a
answered
classic one.
really well.
But actually, Hikmat and also Shadia, thank you
Shadia.
so much for being here.
Thank you so
having
much
us.
for sharing your experience with us.
It's an honor for us to have you here, and also we hope nothing but the best for the Madani
Madinah
Film
We
Festival.
invited you.
Oh yes,
Yeah,
remember that
sure,
our
yeah.
production team.
Yeah.
We got invited, but also if we want to, or whoever watching at the moment want to find any more information for the festival,
Yes.
where can we go?
Please
Easiest
go to
to-
the Instagram
Yeah.
account at Madani Film Fest, and the festival will be on the October 3rd to 6th.
So
Okay,
on
so it's
Instagram?
next week.
Yes.
Madani
On
Film
Instagram,
Fest.
Madani,
Madani
Film,
Film
Fest.
Fest.
Okay,
Yes, we're active and we're posting all our films there.
amazing.
Awesome.
Right.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
For having us. Yeah.
And guys, See the Stories will continue after a break. Stay with us. Don't go anywhere.